I'm old, I'm puzzled, and I'm only able to change one of those.
Today's puzzle is a 210-piece personal puzzle from the Dowdle Puzzle Company, entitled Winnipeg. The image is from a painting created by folk artist Eric Dowdle, and it's of the city of Winnipeg, Manitoba.
So let's do this.
So thanks for watching the video. Also in the comments is a link to my Buy Me a Coffee page if you'd like to support this channel. And subscribe to this channel to see what other nonsense I can get up to. Because, you know, I'm old, I'm bored, and I'm only able to change one of those.